Yo, it's your main man Ty coming back. You know I'm coming hard on you this time. I'm not holding back nothing, man. I'm coming back, boy. I tell you, I'm coming back large. I'm going into the future with this, y'all. I'm taking you brothers with me, yo. Get ready, all you barbers out there. Get ready for this bad boy. This is it. Right now, I'm jumping out with the new Pop Barbers, man. The brand new 2022 Pop Barbers, man. The hot joints. You probably seen these online. Different places going for about $300, $279, somewhere around that area, man. This is the hot joint, man. Yeah, I've been looking for it. I'm waiting to test it out, see whatever. I'm talking to the company, man. They know I'll put out the videos that put them on the map in the first place. So right now, I've got this video right now, a new one coming out. They sent me a brand new box, man. Let me know what's up with it. So I'm gonna check it out right now. Let you know what is going on. This is the unboxing right now. The Pop Barbers 2022, man. The matte black finish, man. It's killer, bro. Here we go. I'm gonna open this bad boy. This thing is thick. If you don't believe it, look at how thick this thing is, y'all. Trying to get this thing going right now.
1 hour later.
Come on. Here we go. Underneath. Pop Barber box up here. Take this off. And here we go. Right on top you saw the P800, the P800 pamphlet and the P700 pamphlet. Now I'll put this on the side as well. Right on top you'll see also a Jaguar. You'll see a Jaguar right here. And then you'll see the P800, the P700, the P600 right here. That's right, all three. The clipper, the trimmer, and the shaver. We got it going on here, man. We got it going on. Before I do this, I'm going to do a total unboxing here. So let me give me a minute now. Right here on top, you'll see this right here. It says Silver Line. Now, on the Silver Line, I'm going to turn it over. The Jaguar. A picture of a Jaguar on the front. Slide this out. See what's inside. Inside is the Jaguar trim. Actually Shears. Inside the Jaguar Shears. Move this off. Bring it up close to you so you can see for yourself. Jaguar Shears. Says Jaguar right there. Look closer. There it is. Jaguar. The Jaguar Shears come with the oil and everything. This is hot, boy. This is expensive too. But you see it right here. You see it in first. Now, also, besides that, it's on the side. You got the Pop Barber's comb right here. The small comb. Let me turn this sideways here. Also, up on top. Look, let me adjust. Let me fix my adjustment here. One more time. Now you have another one here. Another Pop Barber's comb. You know, with the wider teeth on it. This is fierce. You make those nice designs, such in a pompadour type designs. You pull it back and make it nice. The nice openings in it. It looks fierce, man. This bad boy can kick it, man. Also, you have another one. Right here, another one, the small combs or whatever. It's nice, it's a double-edged comb with a pick added to it. So you have the double-edged comb with the pick. Also, you got 3 combs off the back coming with this bad boy. On top of that, besides this whole incredible, amazing set right here, put that on the side just for a minute. You have all this inside. Now, you got your cord right here. Got your cord right here. Okay, underneath your cord, you got your USB as well. Okay, cord and USB usage. You got both. Okay. You got your blade setter right here. That's right, you got a blade setter right here. Also, you have right here. You have a screwdriver right here Comes with it, works perfectly with the set. Let's do a zero gapping like that, nothing to it, in a heartbeat. And you got 10 guards laid up and down here. And I'm talking about premium guards, not the cheap guards, the premium ones right there. Also, you got the brush on here on the side. And in here, you have, open it up, Pop Barber's brush right there. There it is. Pop Barber's brush. Fierce, buddy. Fierce. You know what I'm saying? This is rocking. Pop Barber's brush. It is. And that's the full-size brush, y'all. Full-size brush. We're talking about rocking and rolling here, man. Also, I mean, you're like, wow, man, we got all this stuff. It's amazing, man. You know, it should be about everything in here. There's a lot of stuff in here. So now I'm going to jump right to it. The Pop Barber's P800 right here. Look at this bad boy. Man, this thing feels so good in my hand. I mean, it's really nice. They really stepped it up. There's the cover off, the thick cover. And it's designed for you to zero gap it. You can zero gap using this. Look at the cover. See? You can go right through it, right there, and just screw it zero gap. It'll hold the setting for you. Understand? Just like the little setting things, hold it to zero gap it, same thing, hold it for you. No problem, you can set it right from here. Right from here, right in the back. Go right through it. However you want to do it. Okay, then go here to the back. Take this. Hold on. Hold on. This is a serious unboxing, man. I mean, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. You've got to see it in person. First off, you notice it comes with a killer, man. Fade blade. You looking at it right here, just pass it right through the screen. Just pass it right to you. So you can check it out for yourself, man. So you can feel this, man. So you can hold this in your hand, man, and feel the power of this bad boy, you know? Feel the power, man. And this is freaking awesome. Look at, there it goes. Starts off right at the back. I'm starting it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it go, baby. Look at it. At 4 hours to start off with. 4 hours. Understand? 4 hours to start off with. I have not charged it yet. I'm letting you know this is right out the box. First time, everything. No, this one does not come charged. You got to charge it yourself and stuff. Everything is here inside this bad boy. 4, that's 5 clicks right there, baby. 5 levels, man. 5 levels. Now, this is unbelievable, man. You have got to get your hands on one of these bad boys. I bought several boxes because I just loved them. I knew it. I said, yo, I'm going to get a few of these bad boys, you know, whatever. But, you know, when I put the order out, my man told me, yo, listen, since you hooked us up last time, we got you. Don't worry, we'll send you a brand new one. Do a video, and if you like it, let us know if you like it. If you want changes on it, let us know what you need. If y'all see anything, let me know, okay? I'm gonna drop a video right after this one. I'm dropping another video with the hot cut, the full cut on this one. Or just see the entire thing from everything from the just the basic shit cutting of the head on top. Then I'm gonna go with the clipper use. I'm gonna go right from there next to this one, to the trimmer, man. Man, these are bad. I mean, you just have the same thing on the back. If you put these on the back, you want a zero gap as well? Zero gap, baby. Zero gap, no problem at all. Do whatever you gotta do. See, right on through it. Look at this bad boy, man. I mean, look at this. It's talking about gorgeous and sexy. This is it. This is it. This is absolutely beautiful. One of the most beautiful sets I have ever seen. Pop Barber's name right there on it. Look up close. Right there. Absolutely beautiful, man. Nice, quiet, and strong. Feel the power in this bad boy, man. Woo! The blade's a killer. The new fade blade on the clipper. Oh, you gotta cut with it. You gotta cut with it, player. You gotta check it out. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. It's an incredible piece. It is absolutely incredible. This thing is a straight fire. The entire set is just doing it. If I'm telling you, yo, if your main man Ty is telling you, you know it's real, you check it out, and you know I'm gonna put the cut video out. No ands or buts about it. It feels nice, man. Woo! Woo, still moving at 7,200 plus RPMs, bro. 7,200 plus RPMs. Next one's running at 9,000 to 10,000. Between 9,000 and 10,000 RPM is this bad boy right here. Is this thing right here, man. This pretty thing. You talking about gorgeous? You talking about the straight gorgeous with the gold and the black? Oh, man. You talking about something fierce, man. This pop, baby. Pop it, let it ride, man. You know what I'm saying? Come on now. Come on, look at that, man. Come on. Look at these things, man. Come on. Come on, let's switch it up. This side light, come on. Ooh, going crazy. It looks like a crazy light. Whoa, the power. You feel it in your fingers. It feels so crazy. And it's nice and light, but whoa, powerful. You can feel it, man. Talking about shaving, I'm telling you, we should get some hairs with this bad boy, man. Take it down, doing a killer fade to the ball, man. Nice and easy. You can even do your beard, man. Go around with the smoothness, man. It can do it all. This bad boy is ferocious. Whoa! Talking about killer boy with the double wham, the double floss. Woo! They went, Pop Barbers went to another level on this bad boy. You got to get down this bad boy. If you don't know, now you know. If you didn't know, now you know. This is the hot joint, the new Pop Barber 2022s, boy. Pop Barber 2022s are the new hot joints, man. It's the full set, man. Comes the clipper, the trimmer, and the shaver. All three. You got to get yours now, player. Let your man tell you what's up. It's the new hot joint. You got to get in on it, man. It's awesome. Make your money go up. Make your dollars go up. Make your clients come in more. Lock it up. Lock it down. Your main man try to say, yo.